Hi friends, good morning. This is Anmol. I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Profitable Stock Trading with Charting Scanner. Guys, the date is 10/8/2021. The time is 9:05 in the morning. Pre-open session is open and we have these three positions in our account. So guys, as you all know that approximately last week I made two videos. Okay, I made two videos on this strategy, which is the Dalal Street Trader Cash and Dalal Street Trader Future. Okay, so now I am going to introduce today this strategy converted into the algo trading. Okay, so because a lot of people were asking about algo for a very long time, so this is the algo system which yesterday I have joined hands because I was in a conversation with um, a particular team which is this team, the trading game. Okay, there is a guy by the name of Mr. Basu who has developed this Sidwick algo. Okay, so since a lot of people were asking about the algo system with charting, so there are very few people those who have developed the algo system for charting, and these are the guys who have developed a precise system only for charting scanner. Okay, so I liked it, and um, I was in a conversation with these guys to set up the algo. So we will see how this strategy works in algo, and yesterday we have set this up finally, and now I'm going to make the live videos how this strategy is going to work in the algo system. Okay, so if you have your own strategies, you can also convert the strategies into algo using their platform. I liked it, so I'm going to test it for a while as of now. Right, for the complete information you can reach out to them. You can contact me in order to ask their number. I have their number. You can find out their number here in the description box. But yes, as of now we are going to see live how this strategy is going to help us in order to fetch gains. Okay, so this strategy will they have tied up this charting scanner with this Gmail. Okay, so charting scanner will send the alert to Gmail, and their algo system will fetch the information from Gmail. That is how it's going to work. So let's see how it turns out to be profitable trading. Let's see. So stay tuned guys. As of now the market is pre-open session has been closed, and we will see how the alerts come and how the trades are executed. So stay tuned guys. I'm going to pause this as of now. Alright guys, welcome back. Now it is 9:14 and date is 10/8/2021. So the market has just begun. Right, so let's see how it turns out. So there is a first trade which is Deepak Knight, right? That's what it's showing in the scanner. Okay, so let's see if that helps or not. So this is algo. Okay, See guys, this is how this algo is working. So there are three trades at the same time. Deepak Nitrite has been executed with 4 quantities, Loris Lab 14, and Axis Bank 13 quantity. Okay, so this is how the profit is going to be. Immediately as soon as you take a trade, there is a profit. Okay, so now let's see, it's the opening time in the market. So Algo has Deepak Nitrite, it's 22, 33 rupees profit, 34 rupees profit. So Deepak Nitrite is turning out to be in profit. Okay, Lotus Lab is in profit right now. Axis Bank is in profit. All the three trades which this algo has taken, these are in profit, and we will see if these are the three trades or not. See, Lotus Lab, Deepak Nitrite, and Axis Bank. Okay, so this is the strategy which will give you immediate profit after executing the order. So let's see if it continues for a longer period of time or not. That's what we are going to check. So as of now, we have given the command to this algo system for a specific profit, specific loss with a percentage and the amount as well. Right, so everything will be explained later on, but as of now, we are going to check how it's going to work. Loris Lab is moving up, 30 rupees profit, 33 rupees profit. This is turning in loss, Axis Bank. Okay, HAL is another trade which has come. 8 quantity executed at 11:27.25. Now it is 11:28.50. Three trades are in profit. Okay, HAL immediately it went to 31. Now this is the profit. See, all four algo trades are now in profit. You can see the same M2M here. 44.20 rupees profit, 14 rupees loss. Guys, as of now, this is in testing period. Okay, so we will see how it works. I mean, how soon we have to exit the position, we can modify it. Okay, we can modify it. So let's say if we were getting a profit of approximately 30 rupees in 14 stocks, right? So we will see we have to modify the trade immediately after being taken by the system. So as of now, this is in testing period. We will see to it how it's going to turn out to be in profit. Okay, another trade, IndusInd Bank has been taken at 48, 9 quantity. All right, guys. So all the trades which we have taken are now in profit. Axis Bank, Deepak, HAL. Look at this. Okay, another trade, Tata Chemical. 11 quantity has been executed, and as soon as it is executed, it is in profit. See this. Okay, HAL quantity is automatically sold with 92 rupees ka profit. Okay, see this. We can see all the trades here. So, guys, this is Dalal Street Trader Future. I might have explained this to you before. Dalal Street Trader Cash. Okay, this is the cash segment, this is the future. Now, having said that, these are the two different alerts which will go to the Gmail. There might be a possibility, not might be, there is going to be a possibility that the system, the algo system will take two bets on Axis Bank, IndusInd, because these two are coming in this. So there is no way to segregate this or to stop one. So I'll explain this to you after the market once again, how it's gonna work. But as of now, understand this. This is how it's going to work. So one trade has been captured of HAL in profit. So I have these two stocks in my account here as well. So the total loss is 21,000. These are the positional trade. Let's see how it turns out to be. So if we will see if we are getting the charting alerts or not. See, STG by one Elco Cash triggered Tata Chemical. You can see it, right? So this is the fantastic algo system which I came across. Look at this. All trades are in green, right? This is how it should be. So the funds utilization is only 7,900. You can see it with all these quantity. I mean, these are my previous trade, yesterday trade in the morning, which I showed you. Right. So the only in order to execute these quantity, the fund requirement is 7,900 as of. Okay. So now Deepak Nitrite is coming down. It went up in the morning. All right, guys. So IndusInd Bank is in profit. So see, we can exit it manually from here. See this. Now, these are the orders which are already placed. Now, if we have to exit it, we can exit it from here, cover order and pending order. That's what this system told us, right? So let's say we want to exit it in IndusInd Bank because IndusInd Bank is in profit right? So IndusInd Bank, we will exit it from this system, IndusInd Bank cover order, and this is exit order. See, we have sold it. So it's not that the system will execute your order in order to book profits. As soon as you can see the profit coming, you can exit it manually like this profit turned into loss, right? That's not what we want. Now Loris Lab again, we were in profit, which the system did not enter it. Now we can enter it manually. This was in profit, Deepak Nitrite. Okay, Deepak Nitrite went up to 22.8, right? So we were in handsome profit. We did not exit it. Similarly, Axis Bank is in profit right now. We can Axis Bank, we can exit Axis Bank manually. Exit order. See this. Axis Bank position is also booked, right? Now these are the positions which we are open. Deepak Nitrite. Now as soon as we will see it is going to go up and we will be in profit, we will exit it. Laurus Lab again is in profit. See guys, all we are trying to check here is whether Algo, these guys have prepared an amazing platform. Trust me on this, because nobody is providing Algo system with charting, right? So, I mean, I don't know. I should not say nobody is providing, but if there is somebody who is providing Algo system for charting precisely, then I really cannot say because I did not see this. I mean, I did not search the YouTube, the entire YouTube, but yes, these are the guys which are providing this precise system for only charting, right? You can contact them and talk to them about it, how it's gonna work, right? But what we are trying to see is whether the strategy which I have developed for equity, is it going to work fine in algo or not, right? That's what we will check here. So as of now, the strategy, I mean, today is the first day of testing. We will be doing more testing in the live market and we will see how it turns out to be in profit or not. Okay, now Tata Chemical is turning into profit. Deepak Nitrite is completed because it hit the stop loss. 109 rupees is the loss which we have booked in Deepak Nitrite. Although it was in profit, if we wanted, we could have exited in profit manually, but we did not do it. We waited to see if that moves up or not, right? So the loss is booked already in Deepak Nitrite. Laurus Lab is 14. So friends, like I said that this is in in algo, because in manual trading what happens is we decide whether we have to take an entry or not. And you might have seen me in the previous videos taking a decision manually whether we have to get into the trade or not, right? But algo is not like that. Algo will execute all of your trades which will come in this scanner. So as soon as you will see that there is a profit, you can exit the trade out manually. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to stick to algo in order to book your profits. As soon as you see that the trade is executed, you're in profit, exit it out. And that's what we are going to do from now onwards, because all we want is the immediate profit. Once your trade is executed and you are able to see the immediate profit, exit it out. That's what we want, right? And as of now the quantity is less because we have entered in the system like that, right? So we can modify it with the help of these guys. um, Let me show you the trading game. We will see, this is the website. Okay, these are the people which I'm talking about, Sidvik Algo. Okay, so this is the platform which I am using. Yesterday we have set this up. तो ये वाला अपना इंटरफेस जो कहीं ऐसे रहेगा जहाँ पे हमें सारा अपना डिटेल्स भरने का रहता है इस एप्लीकेशन पे, ये सॉफ्टवेयर हमने इंस्टॉल करना है और यहाँ पे So this is the algo system. We can see it. This is the place where we can set our target and entry and stop loss and everything, right? So you can find their number at the bottom. Okay, no, they have not given the number in this video, but yes, you can contact me in order to get these numbers for these people. So as of now we will see how the algo continues. Okay, so now in Tata Chemical we are in loss. Bharti Airtel is shooting up, which I have the position. Okay, so HCL tag is moving up. Okay, so since we can see that Loris Lab is not moving up, it is better to exit Loris Lab in profit instead of loss. We can exit Loris Lab in profit. We have exited Loris Lab in 39 rupees profit. Now just think about the quantity, right? As of now we are trading with very limited quantity like 4 or 10 or 15, whichever the algo takes as per the um, data which has been entered. But now think, if had it been the case with the big quantities, and that's what we will do in the near future once the success ratio comes out to be good, right? So first of all it is very much required for us to analyze the success ratio, right? So let's say immediately after taking the bet, how the profit turns. We could have taken a profit in Deepak Nitrite, don't you think that? Okay, Wow. So Axis Bank, okay, all the positions are closed, but now we are left with Tata Chemical, and our HCL Tech is moving up with 4,000 rupees profit. This was my yesterday bet. Now we will see HCL Tech. HCL Tech is going to go to 1100. That's what my feeling says. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Another trade 24 quantity Birla Soft. Okay. So now see this. We bought it at 1385. Algo system bought it at 1385. Now it is going to 40. And we are going to exit only one quantity in 22. No, we are not going to go anywhere. We will wait. Okay, so now these trades are being taken in cover order. So as soon as there is a position which is taken by the system will put a stop loss as well. Okay, Bharti Airtel is 603. This is 2325. Okay, we have sold one quantity at 2280. Alright, so Birla Soft is now 411. Let's put a chart of Birla Soft. Okay, so after coming into the trade at 1385, it went to 1590, right? Now it is coming down again. So basically, I have designed this strategy basis on immediate capturing of movement. As soon as the trade will execute, you will see the profit coming. Now it is up to you how you book it, right? So let's see and observe more. Birla Soft went down. Okay, so Kotak Bank is executed. Kotak Bank, okay, Kotak Bank buy above 1789. कोटक बैंक 1811, ओके 1811 के ऊपर बाय था. 5 quantity buyer scope, okay, there is another stock buyer scope which has come only one quantity, and let's see what happens to it. 99. Kotak Bank 12, this is coming down. Kotak Bank is 13. Birla Soft is down. Kotak Bank 14. Birla Soft is up now once again. Tata Chemical moving up. Okay, Kotak Bank is giving handsome profit. Kotak Bank, Tata Chemical, IndusInd Bank, HAL, Birlasoft. Wow, Kotak Bank. 1811 रुपये 40 पैसे पे we have bought it and it is now 1818. This is once again up. This is trying to go up. This is trying to go up. So Deepak Nitrite has given us a loss of 109, but that is because of our own, capabilities of not exiting the trade in profit. We could have exit this trade in profit as well, right? The way we are able to see this Kotak Bank is in profit right now. Now it is our capabilities, right? Whether we want to book profit in right now or we want to wait, right? This profit may turn into loss. If we will exit it, this may go to 1860 or 70 as well. But what all we want is the profit to capture. That's what we want. Okay, 1920 Kotak Bank. So let's exit out Kotak Bank. Okay, Kotak Bank is executed with 39 rupees profit in 5 quantity. Okay, HCL Tech we sold it at 22 rupees 80 paisa. Okay, now we are going to add the same position once again. So once again we have 2100 ka quantity. See this Kotak Bank we sold it at 18, what price? Kotak Bank 1890. Now see this Kotak Bank is 1815, right? So if we will not sell it in profit, that may turn into loss, right? If we will sell it, that might go up furthermore. Nobody knows. But better is to keep booking your profit. All right, so guys, you can see that six quantity is bought of Valiant ORG at 1481.28. Now it is 1482.70. See, this is what I'm talking about. Immediate profit with a good quantity, right? 85, 83, 85. Now, if we want, we can exit this out immediately. Let's do it. 85, 82, right? We should not wait. As soon as the profit, had it been the 600 quantity, right? Think about it. That's what I'm talking about. Getting immediate profits. 1485. All the trades which we took using algo, they are giving us immediate profit. Go and check on the charts of the time when the alert came, when the system took the trade, and then see it. Now let's check chart VA Valiant ORG. This is the one. See this. That's how the system is filtering. 85, 86. This is the one. This is the one. 85. Valiant ORG. VALIANT ORG. This is now again up. HCL Tech we bought it at. So this is the manual trading. We bought it at 1920. Now it is at 2075. This is 82. 77. Okay, so this is now shoot it up. Okay, so in my Fires account, I have a loss of 25,000 with PFC and Federal Bank. So I am hoping these two move up further in this month itself, and I should be in profit. Let's see how this turns out. But I am positive on PFC and because PFC has an event. I mean, once again, event-based stocks are really pain. So let's see. Okay, so Tata Chemical now is in profit. Say this, Tata Chemical. So I've bought two lots of Tata Chemical का 860 का कॉल और नाउ दिस सीम्स टू बी माय प्रॉफिट. यहाँ भी प्रॉफिट है. यहाँ पर टाटा केमिकल. टाटा केमिकल. ओके समथिंग. ओके सो बेयर कॉर्प नीचे आ गया. उसने हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट कर दिया. ओके सो दिस इज नाउ टर्निंग इन प्रॉफिट. टाटा केमिकल में हम एग्जिट कर जाएंगे 27 रुपये. ओके सो वी हैव बुक्ड इन कॉल ऑप्शन ऑफ टाटा केमिकल 2400 का इमीडिएट क्वांटिटी. एंड टाटा केमिकल यहाँ पर आप एल्गो ट्रेडिंग भी प्रॉफिट में आ गया है 62. Okay, so Velanti, which we bought at 81, it went up to 88. Now it has gone up once again. और टाटा केमिकल बहुत अच्छा मूव. बेयर स्कॉप ने हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट कर दिया है. दिस इज 85 नाउ. टाटा केमिकल moving up. So let's exit it out from the trades. Tata Chemical. Exit trade in profit. So now we are left with two positions of algo trading. Only two positions are in loss. इसका हम लॉस काउंट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि दिस वाज इन प्रॉफिट इन द मॉर्निंग. इसका हम लॉस काउंट करेंगे बिकॉज इट डिड नॉट मूव अप एज वी एक्सपेक्टेड. सो आने के बाद सिर्फ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 6-7 रुपये ही ऊपर गया और उसके बाद ये नीचे आ गया. सो नाउ वी आर गेटिंग 3000 का प्रॉफिट हियर. ओके, जो वेलंती हमने लिया है इसका स्टॉप लॉस है 1462.45 का, और बिरला सॉफ्ट का स्टॉप लॉस है 408 रुपये 60 पैसे का. So the stop loss is getting placed automatically as per the defined strategy. Okay, Tata Chemical 6245. So friends, it has been approximately an hour. अभी ये सारे हमारे ट्रेड्स हो चुके हैं ऑटोमेटिकली. Now it is not possible for me to record the entire day, so I'm going to pause this, and maybe in the mid of the trading session, or maybe around 3 o'clock or 2:30, I will once again resume the video and we'll see what all trades were new. So 10-15 के बाद जो भी ट्रेड होंगे वो हम दोबारा से उनको देख लेंगे. So I'm going to pause this. Stay tuned. Keep watching. So guys, once again time is 10:24 and we have got two more trades. One is AU Bank 86 पे आया, 93 हो रहा है. इसका मैंने एक कॉल ऑप्शन भी लिया है 59 में. अभी यहाँ पर देखिए ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट जो हुआ है AU बैंक का 10:20 पे हुआ है और 10:24 का समय हो रहा है. और यहाँ पर हम इसका जो कॉल ऑप्शन मैंने लिया है उसमें से हम एग्जिट करेंगे 962 पे. मैंने इसका सेल ऑप्शन लगा दिया है. और ये देखिए सीमेंस जो आया है ये 17 हो गया, 11 से 17 हो गया. ये 86 से 90 हो गया, 93 भी हुआ था. अभी 62 पे मैंने इसका सेल ऑर्डर लगाया है एंड होपफुली दैट शुड बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. सीमेंस सीमेंस का ट्रेड सीमेंस का ट्रेड हुआ है 10:22 पे, 4 क्वांटिटी 2111 रुपये 80 पैसे पे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द पोजीशन. सीमेंस 18 हो गया, सोलह 15 So friends, I'm going to pause this video once again because I just resumed it to show you that there are two more trades. One is Siemens, one is AU Bank. Hi friends, thank you for staying on pause. Though you were not on pause, but yes, my video was on pause. So guys, time is 10:58 and the date is 10th of August 2021. We got another trade of Galaxy Surf 3 quantity by Algo, right? So since morning we are in the testing phase of Algo, and after getting at 3,309.70, it went up to 3,315 and right now it is 3,308.12 और ये भी चल रहा है। एयू बैंक जो मॉर्निंग में आया था वो वहीं पर है, अभी 90 चल रहा है। इसका हमने कॉल ऑप्शन भी लिया था एंड दैट इज़ इन प्रॉफिट। इसके बाद एस्कॉर्ट्स का एक और अलग ट्रेड आया था मेरे दूसरे स्कैनर में, एस्कॉर्ट्स हमने लिया। एच सी एल टेक 22 हो चुका है। एच सी एल टेक पे जैसे मैंने बताया था कि एच सी एल टेक में मेरा व्यू थोड़ा सा बुलिश है। So and NTPC is again moving up. These are my previous trades, right? But the point is कि Algo कैसा काम कर रहा है. So Algo is raining handsome profit. ठीक है, अभी हम जो देखेंगे सीमेंस का ट्रेड था, ये एक लॉस में कटा है। So guys, I'm sorry I had to put you on once again this pause because somebody was at the door, and right now you can see just now Escorts is the stock which is coming in the algo trade. Okay, and we have already bought a position and we are in profit of 5,000 rupees in call option because that was alerted in my other scanner early. Okay, then this algo one. So anyways, stay tuned guys, let's see what happens at the end of the market. And as of now we are in good position, one loss, two loss. Okay, so Siemens again, like I told you that this is a result session. Siemens is going to declare its results today, so that is why it is highly volatile. And if we look at the other trade, all the trades are in amazing profit, apart from these two. Okay, and you will see these two stocks in the days to come. You will see that these will also move up. That is what my expectation is. So rest of the trades are in profit. Galaxy Surf is now 33.20. Again it has an event. See, event based stocks can take any turn, right? Any turn. They may go up, they may go down, that depends. So uh, anyways, if you are in profit, and we were in profit in Siemens too, right? We were in profit in Siemens too. If you will go and check the Siemens trade, uh, let's search Siemens. So Siemens buy executed at 10:20 to 40. Okay, चार क्वांटिटी 2111 में एग्जीक्यूट हुई थी 10:22 पे। अगर आप इसको जाके देखेंगे चार्ट पे, यू विल सी सीमेंस मेकिंग हाई, सीमेंस मेकिंग हाई ऑफ 2125। 2111 में आने के बाद 2125 भी बिका है ये, और ये 10:22 के बाद चार्ट पे आप जाके देख सकते हैं सीमेंस का ट्रेड। सो स्ट्रैटेजी इज वर्किंग फाइन, ठीक है। सो इट इज जस्ट दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू बुक द प्रॉफिट राइट एट राइट टाइम, right? So that's how we will keep on viewing and observing the trades. Now like this, see, Galaxy Surf is in profit, so we can exit it out. Galaxy Surf, no need to wait, exit out. That's how we have booked the profit. Galaxy Surf, we are in profit now, 37 rupees, ठीक है। So it is not very much required कि आप जो है ट्रेड को लंबे समय तक चलाएं। तो प्रॉफिट दिख रहा है, बुक कीजिए, एग्जिट इट आउट, सिंपल। So anyways, let's see. I'm going to pause this video once again. So guys, welcome back once again. The time is 11:36. Date is 10th of August 2021. and this is the live market, guys. Now we are in profit of 19,000 approximately. And in the morning we had seen couple of trades. एस्कॉर्ट्स का ट्रेड था 55 पे आया, उसके बाद फिर 48 हो गया एंड नाउ इट इज़ 57. सो ये एल्गो ट्रेड है, 7 क्वांटिटी में हमें 10 रुपये का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. बिरला सॉफ्ट वहीं पर है, मॉर्निंग से नथिंग हैपेंड. एयू बैंक 92 तक गया और उसके बाद फिर नीचे आ गया. एच सी एल टेक और ये पोजीशन अभी हमारी होल्ड है. भारती एयरटेल जिसमें हमें मॉर्निंग में लॉस आ रहा था, जो कॉल ऑप्शन मॉर्निंग में 12 रुपये थी वो भी 23 रुपये हो चुकी है. ठीक है. और ये एक और मैंने भी भारती एयरटेल का लिया था 9,000 क्वांटिटी अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. भारती एयरटेल 9,000 क्वांटिटी ली थी और 5.25 में अभी ये 7 रुपये हो रही है. 6 रुपये 95 पैसे हो चुकी है और इसको हम अभी एग्ज़िट करेंगे. और आज भारती में एक बहुत अच्छा मूव एक्सपेक्टेड है, बट वी विल ट्राई टू कैप्चर इट वंस अगेन एट द लोअर प्राइस. तो भारती का चार्ट स्ट्रक्चर मैंने काफ़ी पहले भी कहा था, कुछ दिनों पहले भी. भारती का चार्ट स्ट्रक्चर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सो दैट शुड मूव टू 640 के लेवल्स वेरी सून. लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी. और अभी हमें अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आधी क्वांटिटी मैंने इसकी लगभग हाफ थर्ड क्वांटिटी बेच दी है. 19 से 12,000 का प्रॉफिट रह गया. देखिए ऐसा ही होता है. सडन मूव will fetch you sudden profits, and sudden move will also reduce your profits, but hardly matters, it should go up, right? That is what I am expecting from this Bharti Airtel stock. So any which ways I think I should exit this one. HCL में 4,000 का प्रॉफिट है. ये देखिए एस्कॉर्ट्स इज मूविंग अप. 55 में आया था 59 हो गया. एयू बैंक को 1300 क्रॉस करना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाट माय एक्सपेक्टेशन है. So guys, let's pause this video and let's see if any development happens in the algo. So guys, thank you once again. Time is 11:45. Guys, escort 63 तक आ चुका है, जो मॉर्निंग में हमारा ट्रेड था, एल्गो ट्रेड था. 64.90 तक गया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बुक प्रॉफिट बिकॉज 7 क्वांटिटी में आपको 50 रुपये का प्रॉफिट. आई एम सॉरी, यहाँ से एग्जिट होगा एस्कॉर्ट्स. Exit escorts and this is exited. Now let it go up, let it go down, we don't care, we have booked the profit. ठीक है. And now see algo trading, why we use algo, because algo is a way to book your quick profits, quick losses, right? algo में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इंतज़ार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए, जैसे हम इसमें कर रहे हैं बिरला सॉफ्ट, राइट? Now it can either give a sharp up move or it can go down very sharply, right? Similar case can happen with AU Bank. ठीक है. So basically आप इतने सारे trades, looking at the charts, looking at the scanners आप नहीं कर सकते. That is why we need algo, right? So algo में आपको profit भी होगा, loss भी होगा, बट ये आपको देखना है जब आप लाइव ट्रेडिंग के सामने एल्गो में हैं कि आप प्रॉफिट बुक करके कितनी जल्दी निकलते हैं, आप किस तरह से स्कैल्पिंग करते हैं. तो जो ये स्ट्रैटेजी है आई एम सॉरी, ये स्ट्रैटेजी है, मैंने आपको कई बार बताया, दिस इज़ गुड फॉर स्कैल्पिंग, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो गुड फॉर द कंप्लीट इंट्राडे ट्रेड्स. और इनमें से कुछ स्टॉक्स नेक्स्ट 2 डेज 3 डेज में बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म भी करते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट फिगर आउट दो स्टॉक्स और विद आर नेकेड आइज। सो इसीलिए बेटर है कि आप एल्गो का यूज़ कीजिए। एल्गो का यूज़ करके यू कैन फेच योर हैंडसम प्रॉफिट्स। सो ये देखिए अभी यहाँ पे हमारा जो भारतीय एयरटेल था वो हमें बहुत अच्छा आज प्रॉफिट दे रहा है। ठीक है, सो वी विल वेट गाइस। मॉर्निंग में जो प्रॉफिट 20,000 का लॉस था वो 26,000 का प्रॉफिट हो चुका है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली। देखेंगे कि हम और कितना जिससे फैच कर पाते हैं। लेट्स सी। ऑलराइट गाइस, आई हैव रिज्यूम जस्ट वीडियो वंस अगेन 11:48 टाइम। यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे एयू बैंक में एक सडन ब्रेकआउट आया। लुक एट दिस। अभी हम बात कर रहे थे एयू बैंक में। सो द स्ट्रेटजी इज अमेजिंग, राइट? Strategy is amazing, the way we are trade is amazing. It is just, it depends upon an individual trader how it works out for them. ये देखिए 64 रुपीज़ का कॉल ऑप्शन यहाँ पे हो गया। लुक एट द स्पीड ऑफ द स्टॉक। जब तक आपके स्टॉक में स्पीड नहीं होगी तब तक आपको प्रॉफिट नहीं आएंगे, राइट? और ये स्ट्रैटेजी उसी पे बेस्ड है कि आपको इमीडिएट ट्रेड आने के बाद आपको एक स्पीड मिले। See this. So now we are going to exit it. We have booked our handsome profit 65 का प्रॉफिट लिमिट लगा के, ठीक है, 65 में चला गया, राइट? और अभी हमारे पास क्या है? अभी हमारे पास इक्विटी भी है। सो दिस इज द टेस्टिंग फेज गाइस। 24 स्टॉक, इसमें आपका घर नहीं चलने वाला। 2 स्टॉक में, 4 स्टॉक में, 7 स्टॉक में घर नहीं चलने वाला, बट इट इज़ अ वे, it is a medium to see how what we are doing. Are we doing right? Are we doing wrong? Is there any problem with this strategy? Or what is the ratio that this strategy is good for? Right, this is how it works. So हमारे अभी मैं इसको पहले AU बैंक को एग्जिट करूंगा। See, now we are only done with, if we will see, we are only done with one stock which is Vsoft, राइट? इसके बाद हमारे पास ये 66 भी हो गया। लेट इट वाइप आउट फ्रॉम हियर, टेक आउट ऑल द स्टॉक्स। ओके, सो नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद ओनली वन स्टॉक। सो अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें तो हमें जो लॉस हुआ है वो 120 का इसमें हुआ है, 106 का इसमें हुआ है, 109 का इसमें हुआ है और 76 का इसमें हुआ है। बाकी हमारा जो प्रॉफिट हुआ है 70 रुपये, 59, 56, 37, 92, 40, 39, 39, 48। और हमें इसमें भी प्रॉफिट आ रहा था, हमने बुक नहीं किया। हमें दीपक नाइट्राइट में प्रॉफिट आ रहा था, बुक नहीं किया, राइट? सो दीज आर आवर ओन मिस्टेक्स, दीज आर आवर मिस्टेक्स। सो एनीवेज लेट्स सी, अगर कोई नया ट्रेड आता है तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा। फिलहाल तो यही चल रहा है और एक राइज इसमें भी आना चाहिए बिरला सॉफ्ट में। दैट्स व्हाट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड गाइस। So guys, welcome back. Time is 11:57. Another trade is executed for M&M at 787 and the quantity is 12. So like I told you, that quantity is predefined. I mean, not the quantity, but yes, the ratio is predefined. M&M trade happened at 11:53. ठीक है, 12 ट्रेड आए हैं 787 में and we will see how it goes on. और ये भारतीय एयरटेल, लाइक आई सेड बिफोर कि आई माई कन्विक्शन इज़ इंटैक्ट। सो भारतीय एयरटेल हमें बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट दे रहा है एंड आवर टोटल प्रॉफिट इज़ 41,000 राइट नाउ। ओके, सो अभी मैं इस आपके सामने इसको एग्जीक्यूट करूँगा और केवल एक लॉट आई विल एग्जीक्यूट इट। सो 9:05 में मेरा एक लॉट भारती का सेल हो गया है। अभी एक ये और पड़ा है, 18 रुपये की पोजीशन बनाई थी जो कि मॉर्निंग में ये नीचे भी आ गई और अभी ये 27 रुपये हमें प्रॉफिट चल रहा है। सो नाउ अभी हम देखेंगे एल्गो ट्रेड। बेसिकली वी आर हियर टू सी दी एल्गो ट्रेड्स, राइट? एयू बैंक का ये कॉल ऑप्शन 69 हो गया, एयू बैंक 1302 हो गया, आप देख लीजिए, ठीक है? सो स्ट्रैटेजी इज हैंडसम। दिस स्ट्रैटेजी और इसका कॉम्बिनेशन एल्गो के साथ माइंड ब्लोइंग रिजल्ट्स विल फेच. We will keep on trading throughout the month and we will see how it turns out to be. राइट, यहाँ पर देखिए आप, प्रॉफिट्स बहुत अच्छे हो रहे हैं आज. 22.50, 22.45, 9.30, 9.35. प्रॉफिट इज 42,000. और अभी हमारा जो ट्रेड लॉस में है वो है एनटीपीसी का. राइट. जो दूसरा ट्रेड है फायर्स में, वहाँ पर हमें 21,000 समथिंग का लॉस भी है. लाइफ में सब कुछ अच्छा ही अच्छा नहीं होता, खराब भी होता है. ये देखिए 30,000 का लॉस हमें यहाँ पे है, जो कि हमारी क्वांटिटी है, एंड दैट शुड ऑल्सो मूव इन प्रॉफिट. That's what I am expecting and I am hoping and my conviction is still intact. Okay, this is how it is working. NTPC is trying to be in profit now. Not profit, but yes, turning up. So friends, stay tuned. 87 85 में आया है. Let's see what happens. बिरला सॉफ्ट तो एक बहुत ही टाइट रेंज बना रहा है. Okay, so the point is that it is not awesome. भारती एयरटेल. भारती एयरटेल फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए होल्ड कर सकता है. राइट. या तो इसको ये 23 और 24 एक ही बार में निकाल के 25-26 तक जाना चाहिए, और अगर नहीं जाता तो फिर ये यहीं पर कंसोलिडेट करेगा. दैट्स व्हाट माय प्रिडिक्शन इज. बाइस. ओके, सो दैट इज. So guys, let's see what happens. I'm going to pause it as of now. No new trade from Algo. So guys, welcome back. Time is 12:42. Date is 10th of August 2021. Guys, the trade which we have taken in the morning through the Algo M&M 87, now it is turning in profit. Right. So we will see M&M. M&M जब मैंने आपको इससे पहले बताया था कि M&M वहीं पर घूम रहा है. अब M&M में एक ब्रेकआउट आ रहा है एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक अ कॉल ऑप्शन ऑफ M&M का. ठीक है, सो मैं इसे 21 रुपये डाल के कॉल ऑप्शन ले रहा हूँ. मैंने M&M का कॉल ऑप्शन 21 में लिया है और ये आया है 20 रुपीज़ 70 पैसा में, महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा. ओके, बिकॉज द M&M सीम्स टू बी मूविंग अप. और अब हम इसका चार्ट देखेंगे M&M का. पहले ट्रेड करें फिर चार्ट देखें, पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें. Right. See, M&M is now breaking up on early candle, but now let's see if it moves up or not. So according to me, it should go to approximately 794, 795. सो हमने एक कॉल ऑप्शन लिया है M&M का 780 का. और फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे जो हमारा प्रॉफिट है वो टोटल आज का अभी तक हो चुका है 41,000. ठीक है, भारती की मैंने सारी पोजीशंस अपनी एग्जिट कर दी हैं. ठीक है, भारती में 16,000, 24,000 ये सब प्रॉफिट आया है. और अब हम देखेंगे कि हमें M&M क्या देकर जाता है या क्या लेकर जाता है. सो दीज आर द टू ट्रेड्स विच आर स्टिल ओपन. बिरला सॉफ्ट ने बहुत ही एक टाइट रेंज में अपना ट्रेड बना रखा है. एंड वी आर इन लॉस इन NTPC एज ऑफ नाउ. HCL में 4,000 का प्रॉफिट है और PFC भी हमारा नीचे है, NTPC भी नीचे है. ओके, क्यूमिंस इंडिया 946 में अभी आपके सामने देखिए, अभी आया है 946 में 10 क्वांटिटी. ठीक है, ये एल्गो के थ्रू जस्ट ट्रेड हुआ है. फोर्टी सिक्स में आया है. एंड आई गेस क्यूमिंस के आज रिजल्ट्स हैं. आई हैव टू चेक. सी, that's what the problem is. See, this is the month with the result season, right? So tomorrow the Cummins India is going to declare the results. So I don't know how it reacts, but let's see. और गाइस, AU बैंक जो मैंने आपके सामने एक ट्रेड लिया था 1260 का कॉल, AU बैंक अभी 1310 होके आया है. देखिए, AU बैंक का आज का हाई देख लीजिए, 1317 रुपये हो गया है रादर. सो दिस इज द पावर ऑफ दिस स्ट्रैटेजी कि ये जब आपको प्रॉफिट देगा तो छप्पर फाड़ के देगा, राइट. और जब लेगा तो हम स्टॉप लॉस लगा के उससे एग्जिट हो सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर आप देखिए कितना अच्छा सबका टारगेट निकल के आया है. और आपके सामने हमने लाइव ट्रेड भी किए हैं. क्यूमिंस इंडिया वापस से 46 होता हुआ. चलिए, AU बैंक को हटा देते हैं हम. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी HCL टेक में एक बड़ा मूव आना चाहिए. M&M वापस से 88 हो गया है, 1980 इसकी कॉल हो गई है. So friends, I'm going to pause this video once again, and this is the way wherein we can complete the entire day, because it is not possible to record the complete 6 hours ka session and nobody is going to watch it, right? Trust me on this, because people are not that patient, so that they can sit in front of the screen and watch for the entire day. This is not going to happen. So we will see what the update is. Cummins India अभी 946 947 हो रहा है और देखेंगे हम कैसा ट्रेड रहता है आज का. सो अभी तक 42,000 इन ग्रीन. So guys, welcome back. Time is 1:36. Date is the same, 10th of August 2021. Guys, now Birla Soft is coming up. It is moving up. We bought it at 413 for a very long time. It has been consolidating between 409 to 413.14. Now it is 417. and once again another successful trade by Algo with the strategy. Okay, so these are the stocks and this is the trading. Cummins India is down, but after taking this 946, इसके बाद फिर ये 950 भी गया है, ठीक है, और ये अभी नीचे है, ठीक है, and this is the same right now, nothing is happening, so we will wait what's going to happen. And meanwhile our profit is now jumped to 54,800, 55,000 approximately, and this is the live trading in front of you all. So yes, scanners are working perfectly fine. Stay tuned people, I'm going to pause this once again. Hi guys, thank you for patiently waiting, and now the time is 3:03. Date is 10th of August 2021, and we are done with the live algo trading. Total profit is 42,000, but this profit is not from algo. Okay, so do not think that algo has given this profit. Algo has given this loss, this profit, this loss, this loss, this loss, this loss, this profit, this profit, this profit, this profit, this profit, this profit, this loss, this loss, this profit, this loss, and this profit, and this profit, right? So but the I would definitely like to quote here that the loss which we have got from algo trading, we could have turned this loss into profit easily by exiting the position out immediately, but we did not do it, right? So that is the lesson which we have learned here. From tomorrow onwards I'll be exiting the trades manually. I'll try to exit the trades manually, and we will see that what we are able to fetch using this strategy, these two strategies which we have. So these are the two strategy, these are the two um, scanners, right? And this is the algo. Now I'm going to stop and square off, though we don't have any position to square off, but yes, we have clicked on it, and this was the algo setup, right? So now algo trading is done, and we will review the trades, right? You can pause the video and you can review the trades by your own about the profit and loss, and we will meet tomorrow again. And meanwhile, if you have any questions about this algo, and I mean, it is not that you have to buy the strategy from me and then to run the algo on it. No, it's not like that. If you have your own strategy, if you feel that this is worth tying up with the algo system, you can contact me. I'll give you their phone number, or you can check on YouTube the trading game, right? Mr. Basu will definitely help you. Mr. Pankaj is also there, and you can ping me on my WhatsApp number, right? The number is in the description box. You can ping me and I will give you their number. You can contact them and tie up with your charting strategies with the algo system. They will help you. So thank you so much people. Stay tuned and happy trading.